Hello and welcome to the video tutorial for Academic Search Complete. This is a scholarly database that you have access to as an SJSU student, and in this video I will be introducing you to what this database is, what kind of content it has, how to access this database, and then we will cover some of the basic features of this database. My name is Mari Carmen Castellano, and I am a student at the SJSU School of Information. I have used Academic Search Complete throughout my undergraduate and graduate careers, and I'm a big fan of it because it is a very it's a broad range of information. So it enables you to do basic introductory research and advanced in-depth research. Let's begin by covering what this database is and why you should consider using this. Academic Search Complete is a scholarly database that is owned by EBSCO Publishing. EBSCO also owns a few other versions of academic search databases, and this database is specifically curated for college students. It contains a multidisciplinary collection and has over 5,000 open access journals available. Almost any academic field is going to be represented in this database, and you will have access to academic journals, books, book reviews, newspapers, conference proceedings, reports, and trade publications. You will also have access to images and videos. Why use Academic Search Complete? SJSU offers a vast amount of databases for its students to use. However, Academic Search Complete is one of the most useful starting points in research, and it's useful for many reasons. It's a great place to start because it has such an incredibly broad range of subjects, and it's going to enable you to do multidisciplinary research with just one search. Of course, you have very easy access to it as an SJSU student, and it's easy to learn how to use. In fact, if you already know how to use one search, then you're going to find that many of those skills will transfer to this database as well. It can be used for a variety of classes and assignments, such as when you're just learning about a topic, if you need to write an essay, or if you're conducting research. As I've already stated, it's a great place to begin research or to go in depth on a specific topic, and it can be used as an introduction to your discipline's major publications. I find this is specifically a great feature for new undergraduate students who are maybe just getting to know the literature in their major. How to access Academic Search Complete? Well, this is very straightforward. It's going to be easiest to access from the King Library's website, and you're going to find two options here on the home page. The first option is right up top in the menu. You'll find a link to the articles and databases, and the second option is just below the one search bar, and that is a direct link to articles and databases. The library's website is library.sjsu.edu. The databases are listed in alphabetical order, so academic search is close to the top. All you need to do is click on the link and you'll be able to enter the database, but do note that you may have to log in with your SJSU credentials. In this image, I've highlighted some useful information for you. This is an image taken from the list of databases. You'll see that Academic Search Complete has been highlighted in green. And on the right side of this page are some helpful links. If you're having any technical issues, the links that are highlighted in red can be useful to you. And if you're wanting to speak to a librarian, you can click on the Ask a Librarian link highlighted in yellow. This will take you to a page where you can see the librarian's in-person reference hours if you're on campus, or you can fill out a virtual contact form as well. And highlighted in that same yellow box is the virtual chat option. You can chat one-on-one in real time with a librarian, but do note that they are not available 24 hours a day. So just make sure that if you're needing to speak with them, that you check their hours first. So let's go over an overview of the database. Let's begin with the basic and advanced search options. When the database first loads, it's going to start on the advanced search page, but you do not have to start there. If you'd like to, you can. You can also switch to the basic search format, and you'll still have your advanced options available to you. You can begin your search with a variety of terms. If you're just beginning to research a topic or a subject, one of the easiest ways to start is just with a keyword search. But you can also do searches with the author's name, the title of a text, or the subject. Let's begin with the basic search. So the basic search is going to be an option in Academic Search Complete that will just give you a single search bar where you can enter any of your terms. This is a good way to ease yourself into a subject area if you don't know quite what you're looking for yet. It's just less overwhelming than the advanced search options, but they are still available to you underneath that search bar. And your search results page is going to have filters available to you, so you do not need to start a new search every time you want to edit something in your search term. And here we have an image of the basic search format in Academic Search Complete. We have the single search bar near the top, and then below that you have all your advanced search options. And now let's cover the advanced search. This is a feature in Academic Search Complete where you can use your search terms and narrow and expand your search results. This is particularly useful if you already know what type of information you're looking for. So you will have the ability to have options for your search modes and expanders and search limiters. And just like in the basic search, you're still going to have the filters available to you in your results page. And here we have an image of the advanced search page. And right up top, you'll notice that you now have 3 search bars. That's what it automatically starts with, but you can add more. And you also have your Boolean operators there to connect your search terms if you'd like to. You also have an option to select what type of search term you are entering. And then below that, you have all the same advanced search options. And now let's go over some additional search options and your account. On the top of the Academic Search Complete page, you'll see a menu in blue, and that menu has various ways you can also search for content in addition to the basic and advanced options. You can search through publications, subject terms, cited references, images, and indexes. You also have the ability to sign up for an account. This is going to be different from your SJSU account. And just some of the benefits to having the account here are that you can save search items to your folder, and you can also adjust and save your preferences. So I'd like to briefly go over some extra information that is not quite related to this database, but is very useful for research in general. SJSU has so many great online resources for helping students with the research process. On the library's homepage, if you go to the Research Support tab on the main menu, you're going to find some really great links there, some of which include how to find your librarian. So it's going to be librarians for certain subjects, how to start your research, how to correctly cite and write, video tutorials, and research guides. Thank you all for watching, and we'll be going over more of the basic and advanced options for Academic Search Complete in the next few videos, so stay tuned.